Hey, so if you have an Amazon account and for some reason you cannot sign on to your Amazon account on your TV, there's a strong possibility that there's already a previous email account linked with your TV. So today I'm going to show you how to get around that. So as we see, you're already paying for Amazon Prime, and you don't want to pay two times, one for the TV and one on your laptop. So what we have to find out is on. So what we're looking for is so. So if for some reason you just you can't log in, you're gonna go to settings on the top right, and this is the options that it's gonna give you. There's going to be the Prime membership, which is what we want to get into. There's going to be buying, deregister your device, parental controls, etc. And then when we go into membership, we're going to see that there is no login space. There's nowhere for you to log in your email. What that means is that your TV is already connected to another email address. It might be another family member. If you're sharing a house, it might be a roommate. And maybe prior they tried a 30-day free trial. So to connect your TV with your email account that you're already using, say for your laptop, because you're ordering things on Amazon Prime from your laptop, right? Or your computer, not your TV usually. And basically you're gonna have to deregister your device. After spending some time with customer service, I realized this was the key. So what you're gonna wanna do is deregister your device. And once you do that, then it'll disconnect the old email account, and now you're going to be able to connect your Amazon Prime account to your TV. And it's going to be pretty simple. There's going to go give you some steps, and in those steps, there's going to be an option where it gives you a code, and then once you get that code, then you go back to your laptop. You're going to see Amazon.com/mytv. And from my TV, then there's going to be a section where you put in that code that is the code that is displayed on your TV. And once it does that, then it will automatically sync for you. And now your TV will be connected to your Amazon Prime account. So I hope that helps, guys. It took me some while to figure out. It took me a while to figure out. Kind of frustrating talking to customer service, and they didn't know what was going on either. But yeah. Good luck with that, and if it helped, please give that thumbs up.